In the near future, a new class of autonomous biohybrid drones patrol forests, blending lightweight materials with living algae membranes. These resilient craft harvest solar energy, communicate through faint bioelectrical signals, and release tiny nutrient droplets to stimulate rare plant saplings. Remarkably, researchers report real-time mapping of moisture, biodiversity, and erosion, guiding rapid replanting while leaving minimal disturbance. The technology relies on AI to interpret complex ecosystems, ensuring actions align with conservation ethics and long-term planetary health. As pilots learn to trust these whispering machines, communities inch closer to restoring damaged habitats without heavy machinery.